Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I would like to welcome you to the entire channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed, please do so. I do home related videos. I vlog, I share my life at home, my expenses. We do things according to our own budget. We living in our means. So today please just join me to the groceries shopping. So welcome and happy new month of May. I believe you are going to have fun, you are going to have fruitful month. And yeah, if you didn't make it the previous month, there is still time. And always with God, everything is possible. We just have to put that faith and hope ahead of us. Please join me as I am doing my groceries. So this is a monthly grocery, and yeah, some of the items I'm just picking them up because they are on sale, and some they are on season because you can see of the avocados. And this blackhead peanut butter, the previous groceries I took the one with the yellow banner, so they didn't like it because it's written no added sugar. So I don't know what is the difference, because with me they are all the same. They are definitely all the same. So yeah, between this one and the no noodles, Maggie, that is Maggie noodles, and these are Kellogg's, their prices are equal, but when you buy more from Kellogg's, you save, you swipe and save. I believe I saved. And the oil, I used to batch buy oil, but now I'm left with the one that I'm using. The price is higher. I'm hoping it will go down so that I can batch buy, because that's where I save a lot. I am always looking up for savings to save money. Whenever I see something with a less price and I do have money that time, I will just go and buy. Previously, I bought these pedal liners, and they have this lavender scent, which I was not even aware. I do not really prefer something with scents, especially something that will always have that dirty smell. I prefer it to be unscented. So I went back to the liners that I always bought. So yeah, guys, I don't know. These days, I think I'm having a problem with sharp smells. I took that one because the previous one also, I used to buy the spring scent, spring fresh for Mr. Sheen or surface cleaner. Now I took that potpourri because previously it didn't have any scent for me, and the one that with the one that I'm using now, it's so having a sharp spin for me. So we are in the season, and mosquitoes, you cannot. And this one also, I also use it for the cockroaches. Guys, they have now changed the packaging for that Aquafresh. I always known that I'm always going for the one with silver packaging. Now it's purple, but the writings there, the description is still the same. At least I know the description. If I didn't know the description, I only knew the packaging, that would be a problem for me, because they are different. Previously, I bought this Renew Vaseline because it was cheaper, but I think I should go back to my normal one. Yeah, I always save, guys. I always look for ways that I can save my money. I hope you are enjoying the day so far. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Do not forget to share also.
welcome to the Reiki Message order, please.
Ke khopela kiddies meal ya chicken.
Okay, you got E1.
A1.
Thanksgiving.
Pepsi.
Tips, okay. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. You enjoy some.
Sharp. Guys, I bought kiddies meal because burger is normal. Yamo burger king. In a lento is very huge. I can't keep up with it. So that's why I get kiddies burger. Ka gore ke burger ya o lekanela le di chips nyana. The chips, they're always equal both sides, and a drink which also nakrile Pepsi. Normally it goes with liquid fruit akenyake. Then yeah, burger yona akenyake e kgolo. Good evening, guys. I'm just going to do a quick haul from Clicks. So before I went to Checkers, I went to Clicks. I had a 500 rand voucher from Afbob. So this, I think they've been on special for 200 rand for 2 of these. So I got 2 of them. Then I don't normally buy some things from the grocery ka Clicks. I normally go to take my medication. That thing is 73 something, and I got myself this is sunlight, and some things I cannot show you. So this one I just opted to take this. I love it. I love the smell, and yeah, just for the fun of it. Yeah, and I got 4 of these lags. The voucher has to be utilized before the end of May, and then I bought 1 of this because I still have 3 in the house. Then I bought a Nivea Men. They saying they are on offer. You take 2 plus 1. Yeah, is it 2 plus 1, which is what, 3 of them? They were selling them at that price. And yeah, that's just it. The whole thing did a total of 501 rand, I think. And then I had to top up 1 rand because with vouchers you just make use of it and it gets finished. you leave a change, then you go and swipe again. You have to buy and finish the whole voucher at once. So that's why I took all these things, because I'm not used to clicks, and yeah, the things that they are selling, they are same as Go Checkers. But I just took this, and the other time, I think way back, Checkers did a special side. Get it 20 gram, 20 mils. Was it 20 mils ka 5 rand? Ka 5 rand. So yeah, I missed. Did I miss the special? I didn't buy. Someone wanted me to buy for them, but I found them finished. This is very strong, very, very strong. Let's have a quick dinner. So I'm going to have these wings. In my mind, I'm like, why do I not make those hot wings that are trending on TikTok? Those challenges that, I don't want to mention the name of the shop. So, but at the same time, I'm asking myself, how hot is that? Because people are crying there. People are really crying. So I'm just going to make hot wings. I'm using this 6 can and paprika. Then that will be all. So it will go together with gravy and pap. This is something that I call quick meal, because I just deep fry the wings, do the gravy, and I will be done. I believe cooking pap it's more faster than doing the rice or any other, but macaroni is quicker than everything else. So I consider pap, between rice and pap, the pap is the one that is quicker. So I'm just gonna do pap and gravy with the wings. They were so nice. They were so soft, and yeah, I really loved them.